Okay, so this is how I make baby food, sea moss, and bananas. I take a banana, simple 3-step process. Move my spoon out the way. I take a banana, okay. I take some sea moss gel. For the baby, I'll do 2 whopping spoons of sea moss gel. And this sea moss gel is from Divine Herbs and Healing. You can order your sea moss gel from divineherbsandhealing.com. And then I just smash it up. And it really depends on the firmness of the banana. This one is pretty firm still, so. And there are easier ways of doing this, you know, with a spoon or a knife or using a baby processor. But if you are just on the go and you need some baby food, I've been feeding this to our baby. I started feeding her this a few months after she was born. She's been eating sea moss and bananas her whole entire lifetime, really. You know, she takes breast milk. She only eats fruits and vegetables, no meat. But yeah, this is how you make a sea moss and bananas. And this is using Divine Herbs and Healing sea moss gel. This sea moss gel is superb. It's the best quality sea moss gel I've ever had. And it comes from, it's made with raw organic sea moss from the waters of St. Lucia. So those are really, really great waters. No impurities. The island actually sits on a volcano. So, you know, the remains of the volcano actually clean the water. So that's it. And you make baby food with a banana and sea moss gel from Divine Herbs and Healing. It's just that simple. My baby girl's hungry. She is like, Mommy, you've had me waiting long enough. Nice, simple, in less than 3 minutes. You can save time and energy from going to the grocery store and buying pre-made processed bananas. Why not just have bananas and sea moss gel and make banana moss? Beautiful. Thank you, Divine Herbs and Healing.